Thanks so much. A local third grader's quick actions saved his classmate's life. KOAM's Carrie Worthen talks with them on what happened.
And they want to shake your hand because you're a hero. You are. So step right over there.
I went, oh God, what was that?
Thanks to Tyler Lawrence's quick thinking, Camden Shelton's life was saved.
So he was choking on grapes and he put 3 in his mouth and he choked on one of them. And I thought he was faking it until his face turned purple. And then I went over to the side and hit his back really hard. I was eating so many grapes that I didn't know I had a whole grape in my mouth, and I started swallowing and it went into my throat.
Assistant Principal Jennifer Terry says she is proud of the students at Wyandotte Elementary.
I think it's really great and exciting that we have such awesome kids here. I am super excited that they step up in a time of need and they don't even think twice about it.
We're friends now, so.
Tyler Lawrence was recognized in front of the school, and local police recognized him as a hero.
If you think they're bad or something, you can't tell that because you don't know if you don't spend time with them or something like that, because you don't know how they actually are inside.
So don't forget to always be kind even when no one is looking. In Wyandotte, Carrie Worthen, KOAM News.
Tyler, you're probably a bit embarrassed with all this attention, but I'm going to say it again, man. You did an awesome job. You are a hero. You can watch the full video of Tyler's recognition on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.